Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Pro Crease Brush to apply shadow into the eyelid crease for a soft diffused finish in just a very few easy simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by going into a shade that is a little bit darker than any previous shades that you have. By now you should have maybe your transition shade on. You could even have your lid shade on as well. You just want to get a small amount on there, tap off the excess, and what you're going to do is starting at the outer edge of your eye, kind of place the product and then slowly bring inwards. A great thing about this brush is that it's great to apply the product, kind of place it where you'd like, but you can also blend it out with that same brush as well. And again, always make sure to start at the edge of your eye on the outer portion and then bring in, because you typically want to have the most pigmentation on the outer portion of your eye, and then slowly blend and diffuse it inwards. Same thing on the other eye. You could also keep your eye open if that helps as well, so that you're placing this right into the hollows and creases of your eye. And you may find now that it kind of looks like a harsh line, and that's because the trick to this is then taking a towel or a Kleenex or anything and wiping off the excess product. And what you're going to do then is to just do fast circular motions and just start blending everything out. Like you can see, it helps kind of diffuse it upwards and downwards to kind of create a very soft finish. And here's the final look at using the Pro Crease Brush to apply shadow into the crease of your eye for a soft diffused finish.